Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MP230 printer software and devices on your Windows, macOS, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MP230 support. Go ahead and search for that. The best result on this page should read Canon support for PIXMA MP230. Go ahead and select that. And then on this page, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the item in here that says MP230 series MP drivers. Go ahead and select the download button. And then once it's downloaded to our computer, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time. And then select next, select your region, and then accepting the end user license terms will allow the installation to continue. And then just follow along with the on-screen directions here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.